So welcome one and all to a picturesque evening here. A clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game. It's Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
Colours vivid and vibrant, songs loud and proud. The tone for this game is well and truly set. The action has already started. And this is Kane. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Neymar. Neymar going face-to-face with his great rival. Shapes to shoot! Oh, that was no routine save.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Well, everything up to the final pass looked decent. They just couldn't pick out that killer ball.
Oh, that is asking for trouble. And here's Kane. Oh, it's come loose. Mbappe! It's a loose ball. Now he's got space here. He came in hard, very hard. That's going to go a long way. Oh, easy pickings there. And it's made its way to him. That's gone for a throw-in. Nicely shaped ball. That is a brilliant interception. Al Nassr still without a single shot on target. Well, he's not happy with that challenge, but the referee has let it go. Neymar.
Oh, really well played.
He is through here. Knocks it into space. He's gone for goal. Keeper is right behind it.
No, it's a fair attempt. I think he felt he could line one up there. The odds were never really in his favour.
Messi. That has been slung wide. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This is a formidable matchup. Camavinga was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. It's Kane! Denied by an instinctive save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Borussia Dortmund with the corner. They're first. He's had a shot! And now a sudden chance to counter. Tries from distance. Valverde. And this is Kane. Out to the left it goes. Oh, that's well spotted. Fiore. And this is Kane. That is good strength. And he's had it nicked away. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. There's the whistle for half-time. So we go in at half-time with both defences still yet to be breached. They rather cancelled each other out in the first period. Let us see what the second half brings. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's been nothing but frustration, really, Peter. I think the team as a whole has to take more risks, but they really need to up their quality too.
Still waiting for this to take off. It's goalless at half-time. And we're underway again.
Well, both sides are eager to get going. Here's hoping that it's a good sign. Things are about to change. We need a little more life in this.
And it's Messi. Chiellini goes steaming forward. Now it's Mbappe, and he's managed to get free. Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious.
There's the shot! They want to be quick to recover this. Oh, shooting chance! Lovely pass, but can he get there? Oh, the ball's run loose here. And that's left him on the seat of his pants. Oh, he's brought him down, and it is a penalty. Al Nassr presented with a golden opportunity here. So this the chance to fire his team in front. 1-0, never any doubt. Not much more than a formality.
I just think the keeper committed himself too early.
So the first goal of the game.
Well, talk about the perfect start to the second half. They've certainly come out with more purpose, more energy, and it's paid off beautifully.
Looking to play him in. Shot at goal! A real chance and a real let-off.
I can't quite believe he's missed that, Peter.
And they're quick to get it back. There were better options before the ball was lost. Easy to save from up here, I know. Jimenez gets good distance on it. And that is a little undercooked. Now it's Kane. And here's Kane, played out to the right.
He looked rushed. He should have waited for some movement. Well, it's definitely the right attitude and application, Peter. They've got to keep pushing.
They're coming again and again.
A lucky break would certainly help their cause now.
And the pass is intercepted. Well, it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
His teammates are really annoyed with that, you know, and they have every right to be. I think the message here is quite clear, Peter. They want another one and will seemingly keep going until they get it.
And this is Kane. Now that looks a decent ball. Chance! No mistake! And surely that clinches it. There really is no way back now. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Al Nassr are such an adept counter-attacking team. They produced something out of nothing there. A few seconds was all it took for them to convert a defensive situation into a goal, and it's very impressive.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Yeah, I can't think of a better time, Peter, to get that 2-goal cushion. That, for me, should be decisive.
Short changes him with that pass. Azar. Always onto this. Now it's Mbappe. Fiore! He can get that clear. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Fiore, decent chance! And again the keeper stands strong. It's a mighty effort! He's missed, but not by that far.
Haaland is clearly kicking himself here. He knew that was a great opportunity.
Van Dijk. Oh, that's ambitious. And that is that. Al Nassr can take all the spoils, and it is nothing less than what they are perfectly